Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another banger of an unboxing video. Today I have two very rare special models for you guys. These models took 7 months to get here. So it's been a long time. It's December 2nd, these got here yesterday, December 1st. It's been a really long time. But these are two very special models, as you can see here. They're both the Virgin Galactic Spaceplane. I don't really know what the name is for that. But these are the Virgin Galactic Spaceplanes. You got the new one and the old one. This one is the collector's edition, limited edition, whatever. This one has, I believe, the old one, so the white star livery, and then this one is the new livery and the one that I think Richard Branson took to space. But yeah, I guess let's just crack these babies open. Let's do a review on them. First, we're gonna start off with the new one. By the way, these models are by JC Wings. So here's the front of the box. Here is the sides. There's the other side. Top of the box, other side. Other side, if you can hear that's just a screw, I guess, for the stand. That's what I think it is. I haven't opened these. I was looking on eBay all last night, making sure these weren't some rare commodity that I had could have a chance to make $1,000 off of. Let's go ahead and slide this open. Yep, there's the other part of the stand and screw. Let's crack it open. Here it is. Plastic, protective plastic, like a Gemini jet or really any model. Got that protective plastic on it. Stand. Bag's a little busted, but it's all right. So here's that piece, and then the screw. Right now there will be a picture up on the screen showing you what it looks like when it's on the stand. But yeah, let's get to the model. So here is the model. It is a very good looking model. These are in 1/400 scale, so I think I might feature them in an airport update or two. Again, this is the new livery with the new Virgin Galactic kind of silver on the sides. The wings. It's very cool livery. I really like it. This plane is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be the size of like 2 CRJ 700s. There's the bottom. It doesn't really do it justice on camera what this blue looks like, but it's a beautiful blue. Reminds me of the Bahamas. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, you can see the Virgin Galactic logo on the tail now. Yeah, very cool. So this is the new one right there. And let's go ahead and crack open the old one. So here's the old one. It is the white star livery. the same space plane, I believe. Yes, it is the same. No, not the same space plane. It's the same carrier aircraft. Here are the sides. Here's the back. It's a different graphic on the back depicting the white star livery, as you can see there. See the difference with the old one. Sorry about that, just dropped the part of the new one. So there's the new one. But let's go ahead and crack this baby open. This is a collector's edition special aircraft. Super excited to have this one in the collection now. I don't know what I should do with these. I kind of want to put them on my desk, but I also kind of want to put them in my room. Let's go ahead and crack this stand open. Alright, so here is the collector's edition. It is pretty much the exact same thing. The space plane or the carrier design did not change, or the space plane did not change. It's just a different livery. Again, this is a really cool model, and I'm super happy to have it. Was it worth the 7th month wait? No, but after a while I forgot about that it was even coming, so that's something there. There's the bottom. One thing I really like about the Virgin Galactic things, if camera will let it get close. As you can see there, it's the Evolution, the Wright Flyer, all the way up to the carrier aircraft there. You can see a whole bunch of different types of aircraft in there. Again, it does not do it justice how much of a beautiful blue this is. This is not a metallic blue compared to the new livery one. This one is more of a flat blue. On the new livery one here, it's more of a metallic blue. So I guess that will do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any ideas what I should do with these aircraft, let me know in the comments below. Also, a lot of you are not subscribed, as you can see on the margin on the screen. If you guys could please subscribe and we get to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, we're setting the goal big. 1,000 subscribers, I will do a 5 model giveaway to 5 random people. That's if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll do that for you guys. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, this is Fun Tube Aviation signing off.